Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called flying lizard pose. It is a arm balancing pose. Before attempting this asana, make sure your body is warmed up and do some wrist exercises. Let us see a few contraindication of this pose. If you have any injury at the wrist and the shoulder, you should not perform this asana. Let us see how to perform the flying lizard pose. First, begin with Adho Mukha Svanasana. From here, bring your right leg forward next to the hand. Now bend your elbows, tuck your toe in and stay here. Yes. Now slowly come up. Same way on the other side. Rest your knee on the mat. Now slowly come up. Same way, bring your right leg forward, knees on the mat. Bend your elbows. From here, take your right hand next to the foot like this. Okay? Same way, other hand stretch. Now this time, lift your other leg up and stay here. Now slowly drop your knees and relax. Try to practice this. Yes, now slowly come up. If you want, you can also practice this asana with the help of bricks also. Let us try to lift the front leg. Slowly lift your back leg, knee straight. Now slowly come on to your toes, lift your heels and stay here. If you want, you can take the support of the other hand. If you want, you can take the support of your elbow by placing next to the rib cage, or else you can do without supporting. Just you can place your elbows next to your body. From here, try to lift your heel up, come on to your toes and stay here. Now try to lift your front leg toes. Shift your body weight forward and lift your leg up and stay here. Now slowly relax. Now let us try to lift the both legs up. Now slowly bend your elbows, take the support of the hands next to the rib. Now lift your one leg up, front leg, and slowly lift your other leg up and stay there. Yes, if you want, you can raise the legs as much as possible, or else you can maintain in this pose also. Now slowly drop your legs and relax. Try to practice on the both sides. Let us see what are the benefits of practicing this asana. Strengthens the core, arms, open up the hip, promote the mind and the body awareness, increase the self-confidence. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of flying lizard pose. See you on another video. Till then, take care and namaste.